Welcome to Tech Tip Daily. Today I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can find your ChatGPT memories and how to manage them specifically. So to begin, simply open up your search engine. In this case, we'll be opening Google, and go to chat.openai.com or chatgpt.com. Just make sure it is the correct URL, and then go through the sign-in process and open up your ChatGPT. So what you want to do to find your memories is go ahead and click down here, your little icon, and go ahead and go to Settings. Now, once in Settings, you're going to see you have your General, Notifications, Personalization, Connectors, Data Control, Security, Account, etc. You're going to want to go to Personalization. Now, once in Personalization, you can see here that we have the memory icon, and we have our reference save memories on, our reference chat history on, meaning that ChatGPT is going to remember certain things about us and then use it in future conversations, including past chats and memories that we told it to remember or that it might have remembered automatically. So, to give you an example of how we would manage this, let's go ahead and just tell ChatGPT, please remember that I weigh 193 pounds. So in doing this, ChatGPT will actually remember this fact, and it's added to its memory. So once again, we'll go down here, we will go to Settings, we will go to Personalization, and we'll see in the memory section we had it turned on. And now to manage it, all you simply have to do is go to Manage Memories, click Manage, and you'll see all the past memories of what it has and remembered in the past. And as you can see here, including the one that we most recently told it to remember. And if you don't want it to be remembering these things and you want to remove specific things of past conversations, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click Remove, click Forget, and then it is forgotten. You can close out, and then that will no longer be a memory in ChatGPT's data. However, if you don't want to have any memories ever referenced to begin with, you can simply toggle this off, and you can, if you don't want it to be referencing past chats in new conversations, you can also toggle this off. And that way there is no references or memories that are being remembered to be utilized in future chats. And as you can see here, you can also turn off reference and record history. Let ChatGPT reference all previous recording transcripts, and whatever that's for, like recording mode, you can turn that off as well to ensure the ultimate privacy if you don't want any memorization. That is basically it, and that's exactly how you utilize ChatGPT to find its memories and to manage them and remove them if you want. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.